When using Comfort Bath Cleansing Washcloths, please keep the following in mind. Comfort Bath Cleansing Washcloths provide the hygienic standard in prepackaged bathing. If using a Comfort Personal Cleansing Warmer, remove the package when the light is green. If you are heating Comfort Bath in the microwave, follow the instructions on the package and peel back the label. Remove the first cloth and check the temperature. Begin washing your patient. Use a fresh cloth for each area of the body according to your facility's protocol. Dispose of cloths in the trash. To learn more about Comfort Bath Cleansing Washcloths, call or visit our website.